Hello, just a little quick something from the woods today. I'm outside walking here bare feet and listening to the birds chirping, and I was thinking about doing what is spiritual practice. This is a topic I've been looking to understand more of for a while now, and I finally realized that I've had a spiritual practice for many years, and so barefoot running and moving my body in nature is to me spiritual practice, because it connects me to nature, to my ancestors, our ancestors, and we are all a part of the universe. When I've been thinking about spiritual practice before, I've been thinking about the universe, and the universe is so incredibly big that it's been hard for me to get a grasp on it. So I understand that yes, spirituality has something to do with the universe, asking the universe for stuff and things like that. And I think I will get there someday. But right now I'm gonna stick to my familiar spiritual practice, which is moving outside in nature and connecting with nature, with my body, with my eyes, feeling the senses under my feet, and just being. So yeah, that's all from me today. Thank you for listening. Bye.